Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and then letting me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber. I love to personally thank and also welcome every single one of my subscribers. It means so much to me. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic, and I have been for the past 5 years. I am going to be showing you guys in this video how I'm decorating my classic vertical journal. So this is just a regular, I've gotten this question a few times, this is just a regular happy planner, but I am using it as my daily journal so I can have room to decorate and also have room to write. I am interested in possibly getting it as a lined vertical so that I can, write like that. But for right now, this is working really well. I got this planner. This is the Wrong. I'll show you. It's this planner. I got it for like $3 on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And, I needed to find a way to use it, and journaling seemed like something that I really wanted to start doing again. So that's what I've been doing for a few months now. So I really like it. I'm using the Horray Seasonal sticker book. And obviously, as the summer dwindles away, I need to use the summer section. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. And because it's my journal, I really don't necessarily need to decorate that much. So it should be, pretty quick video, not too long. It was a little bit crooked, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Wonder if I should put this yeah. This can be a place where I maybe write some things that happened this summer, since summer is almost over. And then just kind of like put a few different decorations right here, all kind of close together, little cluster. Okay. There we go. And then I'll put this somewhere else in a little bit. All right. Now, since this is my journal, like I said, I don't like put down a box for like an appointment or anything like that, but I just kind of like leave it open-ended, maybe decorate a tiny bit. Okay. I don't know if I want to use that one. I kind of want to hoard that sticker. Enjoy Life is cute. Could put that on Saturday. Of course, now my animals are starting to make noise. Okay, I was thinking I want to use this washi tape. Because it looks like water. I thought it would be cute. Okay. I really don't have a specific place or use for it, but just thought it would be a cute. Rip it. All right. And then well, I don't want them to be right beside each other. So let's actually put it down at the bottom. This sunshine, super cute. And then I think I'll stop it right there just because last week I put a little bit too many stickers and I didn't have a ton of space to write, and also my dogs are barking. So I should finish here. Let me put them in the discs. All right, so that's it. This is gonna be my journal for this week. I'm excited. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.